Need to withdraw money from Whop? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process, so here's a step-by-step process on how you can withdraw. Start by moving into your application Whop. Make sure to enter your login credential and log into your specific account. So if you have already earned some amount on this application, and if you want to withdraw it, then tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Head over to Balance. So first of all, you have to set the payout. So tap on Set a Payout at the bottom of the screen. Now select your specific country. Once you've selected, tap on Continue at the bottom. It will land you on Space. You have to enter some of your information. Enter your email address and tap on Submit. Now enter your phone number and then once again tap on Submit. After that, you have to follow the on-screen process. Once the payout has been set up, the next thing you want to do is, you have to choose your preferred withdrawal method. Once you have selected, enter the amount that you want to withdraw and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.